you want the tape measure? Oh yeah, tape measure. Whew. Do we see how tall you are? You're this tall. About 27 inches. About 27 inches, maybe 28. Yeah. It goes back in, doesn't it? And it comes back out.
Magic. It's magic.
Maybe Mommy should have the tape measure. How about Mommy has the tape measure? How about Mommy has the tape measure? How about Mommy has the tape measure? How about Mommy has it? How about Mommy has it? And then we can see how tall you are, how wide you are. You're this wide.